Hello everyone, today I will tell how to install Kali Linux in VMware, how to install VM tools and how to make Kali Linux full screen. So let's begin. First of all, you need to download the ISO file of the Kali Linux from the official website. I will drop the link in the description. Download the 64-bit installer. Then you need to open your VM workstation. I will give the link to download VMware workstation also. Open create a new virtual machine. Select typical recommended it. Next, select installer disk image file. Browse the ISO file which you have installed. Next, select the version. I have selected Debian 10.x into 64-bit. You can select 32-bit if you have installed 32-bit ISO file. You can rename your virtual machine. Now you need to specify the capacity of the disk. I recommend 100 GB. Store virtual disk as a single file. Now you can customize the hardware. You can specify how much memory you want to give. I have given 2 GB RAM. If you have 4 GB laptop or computer, you can give 1 GB to 1500 MB. Click on finish. Select open a virtual machine. Power on your virtual machine. Click on graphical install. Select your language. Continue. Select your country. Proceed to next step. Select your keyboard. American English. Continue. It will detect some files. It's loading some additional components. You just need to wait, it takes up time. Give your hostname. By default it's Kali. You can rename it. You can continue. Leave this blank. Continue. Give the full name of the user. Give username for your account. Select password. Remember your username and password. Make sure to switch off the internet. Click continue. Continue. All files in one partition. Continue. Just continue. Write changes to disk. Select yes. Leave this blank. Once again, make sure your internet is off. It shows error due to no internet connection. Just go back and select on yes. We will be installing it manually after installation of Kali Linux. Select GNOME. Click on continue. Now this step takes a lot of time, so just be patient. So now this step is about to finish. Installing Jira bootloader. Click on yes. Continue. Select Dev SDA. Continue. Now we are about to finish the installation of our Kali Linux. Click on continue. As of now, Kali Linux will not work in full screen. We need to install VMware tools. Select your username and enter your password. See, as you can see, it's not working in full screen. So now you have to open your terminal. In a terminal, write sudo mousepad etc. In etc directory we have apt, and in apt we have sources.list. Press enter. Now you have to enter your password. Now we need to replace this all lines with Kali Linux repository. For that you need to open Firefox. We will be getting this repository from official Kali Linux website. I will drop the link in description. Search for Kali Linux repository etc. Go on first website. You need to look for default network repository value and copy the entire command line. Copy it and replace it with this. Ctrl+S for saving this command. Now just close it and clear your terminal. Now we need to update our system, so that's sudo apt get update. It will start start updating. Our update is of 16.6 MB. It takes few minutes, it depends upon your network. It's completed. For me it took 2 minutes 14 seconds. Now clear your terminal, and now we need to install our VM tools. Just write sudo apt get install VM, open VM tools desktop. Enter your password. Enter Y for continuing further. Now it will be automatically restored to full screen. For some users it may not work, so they can reboot their system. Just type reboot on your terminal and your system will be restarted, and your Kali Linux will be working on full screen. As you can see, it has gone in full screen. So that's all for this video.